Welcome to Spectre Tech Solutions. In this video, we will see how to download Utorrent Pro in smartphone. Let's begin. Firstly, open any browser. Here I'm using Chrome browser. You can use any browser. Now type Utorrent Pro APK and search. Tap on Download APK. Here, you have to wait for some seconds of time to show the download link. Click on first link and your download will start. If it asks to download, then click on OK. Let me show you downloads. You can see here, the file is downloading. Now, downloading is completed, so click on the file and then click on Install. Utorrent Pro APK is now successfully installed. Now, let's launch the app. You can see here its Pro version. If you like our content, and watch more videos, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.
It's caught in the crossfire.